Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a cozy rainy summer day clean with me. I know that is a mouthful, but as you can tell from the beginning of the video, it was super rainy. We have had rain every single weekend, and I have been trying to get outside to get some footage or some content for you guys, and it has been impossible because of the rain. So I figured since I couldn't get outside to do what I need to do, I'm just going to film a really cozy clean with me. So I hope you guys are doing well. Let's jump right into today's video. As you can tell, the living room was not in terrible condition. I just wanted to go in and just pick up everything that was just laying around, get a good wipe on the TV console, the coffee table, and just basically tidy everything up. Since it was raining, we couldn't really do anything anyway, so I figured that since I had the time, I would just go ahead and pick up in here and just kind of like get the house in order.
He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, "Son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got." I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out a notepad.
Now that we have our surfaces wiped down, I'm going to go in and do a quick vacuum and move on.
Then I kept walking on down the road. When the time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, "Son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. all mine. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.
Alright, so now that we are done picking up in the living room, we are going to move into the kids' bathroom. This closet right here, I need to get in there and do a declutter, but I am not ready to do that yet. I have to be in the right frame of mind to go ahead and do that. So it is actually not as bad as it used to be before. I do go in there sometimes and we'll take stuff out and kind of like reorganize, but I do have to get in there and really do a really good organization, so that way everything fits properly. But now we're going to move into the kids' bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and restock their toilet paper and just get a really good clean in here as well. For those of you that have kids, you know how it is. Usually you find toothpaste on literally everything. I have a 9-year-old and my daughter is turning 14. But typically it's usually the 9-year-old, and I hate to say that it's him, but he's a boy and we know how boys are. And he just gets toothpaste on everything, and I actually feel bad for my daughter having to share a bathroom with him. At least when I was growing up, I shared a bathroom with my sister, so my mom did not have any other kids or anything, so I never really knew what it was like to have to share a bathroom with a boy. But oh my god, I feel so bad for her having to share this bathroom with him, but I'm pretty sure at some point he's gonna grow out of it. For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through.
I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head. But it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling.
Moving on to this area, another area that I really don't like cleaning, but I know that it has to get done because, again, I do have a son, and if you know, you know. So that's all I'm going to say about that. But I'm just going to go ahead and get a really good clean on the toilet area and around it.
Cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I try my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly. Cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can.
Because this bathroom is so small, sometimes it's really hard for me to film in here because the angle is just not the best. Right now, the tripod was sitting on top of the vanity area with the camera and everything. And I'll try my best to get a really good shot for you guys, but sometimes it's just really hard. The things that content creators and influencers have to do just to get like a really good shot or like a picture or video, sometimes you'll be surprised. But I am going to finish up by getting a really good mop in here, and then that'll be it for the kids' bathroom.
Everybody's worried, saying that I'm in too deep. Keep it on too.
So this was the next day, and the weather was slightly better. It was not raining, but it was a tad bit cloudy, and it was a little bit warmer outside as well. We actually were able to get out and go to brunch for a little bit, so that was fun. Another fun thing that happened, my daughter graduated from middle school, so she is going off to high school in August, which is so insane. And she also got an award for, I think it's called the Scholastic Achievement Award in math, which is also so amazing. We are so proud of her. And yeah, both of our kids are just doing so well. So as a parent, you always want to know that your kids are trying their hardest and just being really good people. And that is what I tell my kids all the time. I just want them to be kind to other people and kind to themselves as well. But I also want them to try their hardest and just put an effort in anything that they do. And that is definitely showing.
I wanna look back and laugh when I'm older. 2 feet on solid ground and head on my shoulders. If you tell me to jump, I might get a little higher. I give everything I got, honey, you should try it. No, I'm not giving up my
no one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna fly than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. Now I am down at zero. When will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision. I'm running out of rope.
Now that the bed is made and my little TV console is organized, that is where I store my makeup. I know it sounds crazy, but my makeup's in there, my toothbrush is in there, along with like our summer bathing suits and all of that. My bathroom is currently under construction. My husband started gutting it not that long ago, so that is a slow process as well, but we are moving on to wiping down the windows and just wiping down all of our surfaces in here. And before anyone says, well, you should finish one project before you start another one, I know, I'm aware. The kitchen project is still coming along. I know that it has been a very long time since I started doing it. And honestly, there's really no excuse in the book. It's just that life happens and people just get super busy, and I do work out of the house Monday through Friday. My husband also works from home. We have 2 kids, we have a home and all of these different things, so it's a ton of responsibility. And my kitchen is also not small, it's pretty big. And I think that's part of the problem, and I'm not complaining at all. I love the fact that we have a decent sized kitchen, but oh my god, you guys, we have 43 doors and drawers, and I'm only one person, and it does take some time, and I want to make sure it is done the proper way. So I am going to be doing my final coat of primer on the doors and drawers today as we speak, and then after that I do have to go back in and do another sand and then wipe, and then I can go ahead and paint them. So it's a very slow moving process, but we are making progress.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Oh. it's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love.
Now that we have everything wiped down, I am just doing a quick vacuum in here, and then that'll be it for today's video. I am going to try to get outside hopefully by next weekend to give you guys some outdoor content. My patio needs some fresh flowers. The front of my house, like my front entry area outside, also needs some fresh flowers. Also have to repaint my stairs. I do that every single spring, summers, but because it's been raining so much, I have not been able to. But hopefully, fingers crossed, the weather is good next weekend and I should be able to get that content filmed for you guys. But I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe before you leave. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell, as it will alert you every time I post a new video. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need.